Welcome to this tutorial on using Hootsuite, a powerful tool for managing your social media accounts efficiently. Whether you're a business owner or a social media enthusiast, Hootsuite can save you time and help you optimize your online presence. Let's get started. Once you are on the Hootsuite webpage, press the Start Your Free Trial button. After that, you will be given the following two choices, whether the designation is for yourself or a team. Choose according to your needs. After that, you are asked to complete the billing information first to be able to continue. Then you will be asked to answer the following two questions below. Make sure you answer correctly according to your goals, so Hootsuite can provide precise and satisfying results. Next, you need to connect at least two of your social media accounts. Here, for example, I will connect my LinkedIn and Twitter accounts. After successfully connecting our social media accounts, then we press the Add More Later button below. And finally, let's start using Hootsuite. Now we are on our dashboard. To get started, we can choose one of these four buttons: Create from Scratch, Post Across Networks, Post About Trends, or Start with AI. Basically, these four options are both aimed at creating new posts. Or you can also press the Create button on this nav bar. Then we select the Content with AI option. Now we are given 5 options. Here is an example. I will choose Start from Scratch. Then here we are asked what platform to create a post on. For example, I will choose to create a post on the LinkedIn platform. Then we will be asked what topic we will write about. Let's just match it with the recommendation, Simple Budgeting Tips for First-Time Savers. Then we press the Create Caption button. And look, we are given 3 post options. Choose the one you like best. Here I like option 3. Then we press the Create Post button. Here we are shown the form and preview of the post. Here we can choose what platform we will use, and I will choose LinkedIn and Twitter. Whoops. It turns out we have reached the character limit for the Twitter platform. So sadly, we cannot publish our posts on the Twitter platform. Hootsuite also provides features to improve our posts by using AI Owly Writer. And here are the features of AI Owly Writer to improve our posts: by improving spelling and grammar, length optimization, adjust tone, and inspire engagement. Let's try adjust tone. Here we get 6 recommendations for tone preferences. Let's try the friendly option. Whoops. Turns out that our post has been rated friendly tone by Owly Writer. Now we try the professional tone option. Here we are again, given 3 options. Next here, there is a button to add media to our posts. Can either upload from our computer or select it directly from the media gallery. And we can also use the integrated Canva to select the media for our posts later. Before we are directed to the Canva tab, we will be asked to select the media format first. After we select it, we will be directed to the Canva tab. In this case, for some reason I can't access Canva. Other than that, there are also emoji and hashtag buttons. The hashtag button here, if we press it, we will be given hashtag recommendations match the topic of our post. Here we can choose to post and reuse accounts, and post and duplicate. Besides that, here we can also schedule our posts. We can choose when the post will be published, and here there are also recommended time options for posting. This is very useful so that our engagement gets maximum results. After we schedule the post, we will be directed to the calendar page. Here we can see what posts are scheduled on a certain date and time. At the top of this, we can change our calendar patch, apply filters, add media and project management apps. Now we switch to the nav bar and try to access the inbox feature here. In this case, I don't know why I can't access the inbox. Well, I'll just explain here. This feature should be able to display all private and public social messages in one place. Include social media direct messages, public comments, public story mentions. so that we can respond quickly to maintain good audience relationships. And underneath, there is the analytics feature. This feature serves to access insights about your social media performance and stay up to date on the changing numbers that impact overall account performance, and also check the performance of our brand on social. In essence, this feature breaks down all the data so that we can understand it and can develop strategic steps. In analytics, free accounts include basic metrics, while advanced reporting tools are available in premium plans. Underneath is the listening feature. This feature gives us insights from data on social, either from certain topics or trending things that are happening. Let's try to find insight from the topic of Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto. Here we can see the key metric results, where there are graphs as well as the results of engagement, sentiment, and author. Besides that, we can also see the top themes. It seems that the application still needs a better stop word filter. This is based on the top theme results, which still contain conjunctions. And underneath there is an ads feature. This feature serves to manage ads and campaigns on each platform. That wraps up our tutorial on Hootsuite. It's a versatile platform that simplifies social media management and boosts productivity. Explore its features, and don't forget to experiment with scheduling, analytics, and streams. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share this to your friends. I see you in the next video. Goodbye.